Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss what are redundancies. We are discussing technical writing. Technical writing needs to be precise and it must have utmost clarity. In order to bring the clarity, we must remove the word that creates confusion or the words those are unnecessary. When we talk about redundancies are unclear words that are repeated with the same meaning. They make technical writing long and unclear. For example, when we say the final conclusion, we know that the conclusion is always final. So final word is unnecessary added word. So rather we should say conclusion is always final. Now the next question is, why should we avoid redundancy? What are the rules to avoid redundancies? First, redundancies are the word pair with the same meaning. So avoid word pair with the same meaning, like ATM machine. ATM means auto teller machine. So when you say ATM machine, you are saying ATM machine. Auto teller machine. Return back, return itself means come back. So when you say return back, you are saying return back. So here repeated word is back. Again, you cut unnecessary adjectives. When we say absolutely free, free is absolute. Unexpected surprise, surprise is always unexpected. So here the use of unexpected or absolute word create redundancy. These are the superfluous word, unnecessary word. Again, when we have long phrases, it should be replaced with the shorter phrases due to the fact that, simple say, because. Now we'll understand how we use redundancy with the help of some examples. First, for the first example, there is this sentence: each and every employee must attend. If you are using in colloquialism or while speaking, there is no problem. But when you are going for technical writing, because technical writing should be precise, you should avoid unnecessary words. So rather than saying each and every employee must attend, you say each employee must attend. The basic fundamentals are clear. Fundamentals are always basic. So here the basic word is redundant. So rather you say the fundamentals are clear. End result was unexpected. Result is always end. So here end word is superfluous. So we should rather say the result was unexpected. The reason why he left is clear. The reason itself means why. So here why word is superfluous, redundant word. The reason he left is unclear. We must plan ahead for the lunch. Planning is always made ahead. So here ahead word is redundant. The future prospect are bright. Prospects are always for future. So here future word is redundant. For next example number 7, the final outcome was positive. Outcome is always final. So here the final word is redundancy. So what should be the sentence? The outcome was positive. ATM machine is out of service. M already stand for machine. So here machine word is superfluous. The first and foremost priority is safety. So you either say first priority is safety or you say the foremost priority is safety. Use one. For next example, this is a true fact. Fact is always true. So use of the word true with the fact is repetition. Again, we must, in order to avoid redundancies, we need to avoid and remove unnecessary modifiers. Like completely finish the task. Finish means something you do completely. So here the completely word is redundant. Finish the task. Return back the package. Return means something that is getting back. So return the package. Revert back. Again, revert is something that is getting back. So revert to the previous version. Added bonus for customers. Bonus is something that is already added. So bonus is for customers. Merge together the files. When you are merging something, you are putting two things together. So you rather say merge the files. Close proximity to the station. Proximity itself is closeness. So you rather say proximity to the station. Continue on with the project. So rather on preposition here is useless. Continue with the project. Connect together the wires. When you are connecting something, it is together. So connect the wires. Unexpected surprise visit. Surprise is always unexpected. So you say surprise visit. Collaborate together when together on this task. When we collaborate, we are putting everyone or everything together. So here together word is superfluous, rather say collaborate on this task. Then we remove wordy expression. So there are phrases that are long. So instead of long phrases, we use the shorter ones. Like at this point of time, we have no idea. So instead of using so many words, you use currently, we have no idea. In order to complete the task, follow steps. To complete the task, follow steps. In my personal opinion, when you have already used my, there is no use of the word personal. In my opinion, the design is weak. The reason is because the server crashed. The reason is itself enough. The reason is the servers crashed. There are many students who joined. This artificial subject has no use here, rather simply say many students joined. Due to the fact that it rained, we stayed in. Because it rained, we stayed in. At the present time, currently, we need funds. We currently need funds. In the month of January, we launched. We all know that January is a month. So using in the month of January is addition, is superfluity. So rather say in January we launched. Advanced planning is necessary. Planning is always advanced. So rather say planning is necessary. We reached a mutual agreement. Agreement is always mutual. So there is no use of the word mutual here. We reached an agreement. Absolutely essential for success. Essential is always absolute. So do not use the word absolute with the essential. Essential for success. We must repeat again the text. The repetition itself is something that we are doing again. So their use of again word is useless here. We must repeat the test. New innovation in technology. Here new word is superfluity. Simply say innovations in technology. Unexpected emergency alert. Emergency is always unexpected. So the use of unexpected word here is superfluity. Emergency alert. General consensus was reached. Consensus is when we all come into single opinion, one opinion. So this is general. So consensus was reached. The meeting was postponed until later. Postponed means something that has been put off future. So until later is a wordy expression that should be avoided. The lunch was postponed until a later time. Until a later time is useless. The lunch was postponed. You can say exactly until tomorrow. Each individual must register. Each is individual. So each student must register. End result turned out well. Result is always end. So use of the word end is superfluous. Repeated again the same mistake. When we repeat something, we are doing it again. So here the use of the word again is superfluous. We need advance warning before the changes. Warning is always given in advance. So we rather say we need warning before changes. Past history shows a pattern. History is always about past. So here the past word is superfluity. History shows a pattern. The plan was unexpected and unanticipated. The plan was either say unexpected or say unanticipated. Using the both word makes it only wordy. Fill out a complete form. Fill out a form. The cost was absolutely free. Free means absolute. So use of absolute word is superfluity. Temporary pause in the service. Pause is always temporary. So you rather say pause in service. Summarize briefly the findings. Summarization is always brief. So summarize the finding. The competitors turned back quickly. Here the use of back is useless. The competitors returned quickly. Return quickly. They combine together the results. We combine something, we put something together. So they combine the results. The project was postponed until a later time. Again, until a later time is a wordy expression. So this is all about redundancy. What are redundancy? The unnecessary words repeated with the same meaning that makes the technical writing long and unclear. We should not use two words with the same meaning. We should cut unnecessary adjectives and we should replace the long phrases with the short ones. Thank you.